Today we'll be discussing about spy projects, PHIE. Okay, so all this while I've been busy. I've been having some contracts with some companies recently. Okay, so today we'll be working on PHIE projects. So all you have to do in these projects is very simple. Click on the icon you see blinking above. You click on it and
Are you still worried
you
about
wait
buying
for the
Bitcoin?
advert to load.
Download Bitcoin
Okay,
mining
so
software to
that's all
easily
you need
solve
to do.
mining machine problems and avoid high electricity bills. Purchase the corresponding
And you
cloud
click
computing
here to stop the advert. Okay, when you're done, just click on X, yeah, to cancel, and then that's literally just it. So with time, as you can see, this is Web3. So with time, some other features will be out before we can now claim our tokens. Okay, so that's that for this project. If you want to invite, you click on referral and then you copy your invite code. So this is my invite code. Okay, so I'll be putting it in the description of this video. You can also shop for items, have your daily reward, claim your diamonds. So as you can see, I've claimed. You can also watch the ads to get 3 diamonds. So I wouldn't want to waste any time in this video. So when you click on Web3, you can see this is the wallet address. So that shows this is a good project. You can always interact with it and send funds. So that will be that for this very project. So this is the second project of the day called Spur Protocol. So this is facilitating new age decentralization building at Sun blockchain. So this is where we can download the app, of which the link will be in the description of this video also. So Spur ignites the energy of a new age decentralization. Spur protocol is facilitating the growing new age decentralization through community engagements. Join the race and accumulate points for your activity. Okay, so these are the projects or products that it's building. Okay, so you teach, learn and earn, play to earn, tweet to earn, proof of governance as POG and DEX solutions. Alright, so when you click on the link and sign up, so this is what you're going to be seeing in the dashboard app. All you have to do is click on farm rating up here. This point, I'm farming at 0.80 per hour. So you click there and then you click on claim spur, scroll down here and click on harvest. Okay, so you harvest every 24 hours. Then you go back again, and then you come and click here, this arrow, this game button here after the home button down. Okay, so I think mining is every 12 hours, not 24 hours. Then you click on wheel spinner, then you spin the wheel twice. So this is just literally what you have to do every morning or evening, depending on the time you want to do. So I'm in my spare time now at work, and I'm decided to do this and make a video about it. Okay, so you go back, you click on treasure, just pick any box here and claim. Okay, so I've picked second box and that's it. Okay, so you can always do some other ones, but these are the ones I just do, these two, since I don't have much time. So that's that for this project. See you in the next one.